Hello teacher. Are you looking for a way to analyze your students' scores in a visually appealing and informative manner? Try MS Excel's recommended charts feature. Step 1. Open Microsoft Excel and select the data that you want to analyze. Ensure that it is in a suitable format for analysis. In our case, we have taken 10 students' names in column B and their scores in 4 months in column C, D, E and F. Step 2. Select your data. Once your data is prepared, you will need to select the data that you want to analyze. Click on the cells that contain your data and make sure they are highlighted. I have selected B11 to F11. Step 3. Click on the Insert tab in the menu bar and click Recommended Charts. Step 4. Select the type of chart or graph that you want to create from the options available. Step 5. Customize the chart or graph as needed by changing the data series, labels, and other options. Step 6. Save and share the chart or graph with your students or colleagues as needed. By using recommended charts, you can quickly create charts such as bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more to get a clear picture of how your students are performing and easily identify trends, compare scores, and make informed decisions about student performance. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.